Hello there. Welcome to my tutorial on SolidWorks. Let's get started with the move, copy, and rotate entities for the 3D sketch. So let's do some sketch on a 3D. You see there is an X and Y and a Z. So we are doing a 3D, so that it's not a 2D, it's a 3D drawing. So you can see that when I point the pencil going down here, I was gonna do a line from here to here. It means that it draws a line from the X-axis, and then press the tab. You can see that it was changed to YZ, or let's do another one. It's ZX, which is going right here on the set. So let's do that one. Click, and now press the YZ. So let's do the click and select, right click and select. Now let's do the move entities. So the entities to be moved is let's say I pick this one, so it says the lines. So see the Y and the Z and the X, so you just grab the arrow and pull it out, or move it up, or pull, and then Y direction, or going back to the same place, and Y direction, or going down, or you can use the translation that is the delta X, which is going down. You see that it's going on the direction of the X, which is the delta X, and then going Y, it's going up on the direction of the Y, and going at the Z, it will go on to I was pressing the negative side. The Y side is going on the other direction. Okay, let's do now the copy command, or the copy entities. So the copy to be element of copy is this line that I choose, and then I can copy that within maybe one. See that there is a one here, that it says that it will be copied. So repeat that one. See that it copies on the other side. So let's go out of that one. Okay, and let's go on to the rotate entities. The entities to rotate, let's say this one, and the rotation now, let's say it will rotate on that one. That is the distance of the rotation, let's say, and goes up and goes down, and the rotation, let's say 15. You see that it rotates the angle, and also here, let's say 20. It went to that way, so 15. So now it's been rotated. You see that it was rotated on the side. On this side is 15. Okay, let's get out of the dialog box now. Okay, that's it. If you want my videos, please subscribe to my videos, and let me know if it is my tutorial is quite good for you. I will be doing this one, a lot of things that you never see in my videos. So press the subscribe and likes and comment to my videos. Thank you very much.